Welcome back, children. In this video we will enjoy our lesson number 5B is line to line. So everybody are requested to open your textbook page number 54. Do you know me? I am a bee. I make honey for you, so they call me honey bee. I have to work very hard. I never sit idle. People call me the busy bee. Now children, this is a picture of honey bee and it is speaking that people call him honey bee and he has to work very hard and he never sit idle, and that's why people call him the busy bee, because they are constantly working. Understand, children? That's why people call them busy bee. Now come on, children, page number 55. Now the bee has three main parts. Its body has three main parts. Children, you can see in this picture also, look, the head, the midsection, the back section. Now in the head, eyes, feelers and mouth. In the midsection or the thorax, wings and legs. And in the back section or the abdomen, stings is there. Now you can see everything in this picture, children. This is feeler, this is head, this is thorax, this is wing, abdomen, sting and legs. Now children, see, the head has eyes, feelers and mouth. As we have earlier discussed, the head has eyes, feelers and mouth. The thorax has wings and legs. The abdomen has a sting at the end. Now do you know that what is the sting, children? Sting means काटना. When honey bee stings someone ना, that is called sting. Means उसको डंक मारती है वो. Understand? That is called sting. I have 6 legs and 2 tiny wings. Now bees have 6 legs and 2 tiny wings. You can hear my buzz when I fly. We have already seen in our previous video, children, when it is flying, that time that voice is coming. It's called buzzing bee. Understand, children? I have a sting, but I do not hurt anyone. It can sting, but it doesn't want to hurt anyone. I use my sting on those only who tease me. But I feel very sad when I sting someone. I die soon after. Children, honeybee doesn't like to sting anyone, but when anyone tease him, at that time he stings, and whenever he stings someone, after some time he will die. That's why he feel very bad to sting anyone. Understand, children? Yes. Now come on, page number 56. I love flowers. I fly from flower to flower. I collect their sweet juice. Now, honeybee like flowers so much. They are roaming flower to flower and collect their sweet juice. And this sweet juice is called nectar. It is very sweet. I store it in my house. That honeybees store this sweet juice in their house. And their house, do you know the house? That is the house of honeybee, children. We called it hive. After some time, the nectar changes into honey. Understand, children? After that some time, that nectar changes into honey. And this honey is my food. It is for you too. And its food is honey, and we also use honey in our daily life. Understand, children? So it is for us also. My house is very big. Look, its house is very big. It is called a beehive. That you already know, children. Beehive. It has many tiny rooms. Look, this is its tiny room. These, all these tiny rooms means small rooms. Each room is called a cell, and one room is called as cell. Understand, children? This is cell. 1, 2, 3. These all are cell. I live in my house with the other member of my family. They are living with their family members. As you all live with your family member, na? Same like honeybee also live with their family members. Our family is very large. It has many thousand members. They have 1,000 members in their family. Understand, children? Yes. Now, all the members of our family work very hard. All family members of the honeybee work very hard. We do all the work together, and they work together. We make our house and look after it. They making their house with themselves, and they look after it. We protect it from enemies. They protect them from enemies. Look how hard we work. Means they work very hard. To make one little spoon of honey, we have to visit 4,000 flowers. Now, children, do you know that if a little spoon of honey we have to make, they have to visit 4,000 flowers after only 1 little spoon of honey make. Understand? This is very hard work, children. So like honeybee, you also have to do work very hard for your good marks. Understand? It is for you, because if you work very hard, then you will get good marks in your exam. Understand, children? Now I want to give one most important information about the honeybees. Children, now the king and queen and the worker, I will also show the pictures, the images of that queen, king. Understand? See, children, our king and queen also live with us. The drone is our king. Now the king is known as the drone. He is very fat. He does nothing all day. He remains idle. Why he is very fat? Because all the day he is doing nothing. He is only sitting idle. The queen also remains idle. Queen also remains idle. She lays eggs only. What does the work of queen, children? She lays eggs only. And the drone is sitting idle all the day. He is nothing doing. Understand? Now here our story is completed. Children, again you will read this lesson carefully and you will get more ideas about this. Okay, children? Goodbye. Take care.